Bees are very important. They play a very critical role in agricultural and ecosystem. They are very important pollinators, so they're very crucial for the pollination of crops and also for the survival of ecosystems. Almost like 1/3 of the food which is produced is actually pollinated by bees. So it can be crops, it can be fruits, it can be even the flowers we enjoy. It's all possible because of bees. For sure, we know over the years that there's been steady decline in bee population, and several different factors are attributed to this decline. One of the factors is environmental stress. Environmental stress in bees is really caused by habitat loss. We're cutting trees down, we're building homes, and we're encroaching in their natural habitat. Climate change, higher temperatures, floodings. We do have natural environmental pollution, whether it being light pollution, whether it's noise pollution, trash pollution. This all in its own way actually do impact bee population. And we also have indiscriminatory use of pesticide, which is a very vital tool, but sometimes it can easily impact bee populations. And lastly, we do have new emerging pests and diseases, for example, the varroa mite. So all these different factors come together, and it has really impacted bee health and bee population, and that's why we have seen steady bee decline over the years. One of the best ways for pest control companies to positively impact bee population is to have a well-written pollinators policy or bee health policy. And these policies should actually define exactly how exterior treatments are done. Most of our treatments are done usually inside. We do interior treatment, but sometimes it's very necessary for us to go out do an exterior treatment if we're controlling for crawling insects, maybe for wasps, or maybe for overwintering insects. However, it's very important that these exterior treatments are done in such a way that it does not impact bee population. And this can be done, one, by positively identifying bee population in the area where the nesting habitats are and when they come out to forage. And when we do exterior treatment, it's very important that timing is very crucial. Exterior treatments should be applied only when flowers are not in bloom and when the bee population is not high, for example, in the morning or maybe late in the evening. But most importantly, if it's possible, we should use preventive measures for controlling pests around buildings. The use of pesticide or the use of exterior treatment should be done as a last resort. And lastly, at corporate level, it's very important that pest control companies should encourage their employees to actually, at individual level, create their natural environments, to make it more friendly for bees. And what I mean by that is maybe having a hive at home if it's very safe to do, or maybe planting more native flower species in gardens, in landscape, because actually these are the things that will actually sustain bee population, especially the wild bee population.